Welcome to today's video. Today's video is a home repair. Got a shower that's got marble tile, marble trim. A piece of the marble trim fell off, hit the shower floor, broke into 3 pieces. So we got piece 1, we got piece 2, we got piece 3. So we got to glue these back together so we can put this back in the shower. So today, we are going to try Instant Install 29. And what does Instant Install 29 mean? Instant Install 29 means this repair will be done in 29 minutes. So we're going to see just how this works. Let's give it a shot. The instructions on this say mix 1 to 1. It doesn't say by volume or weight. I'm going to make 2 equal piles, mix them. They say to clamp the pieces if possible. I'm going to clamp the center piece, and as I put them on, I'll clamp them. Got them on wax paper so they don't stick to the countertop. And this has a gel time of 15 minutes. So we'll have to make sure we get this together. Drew myself 2 circles just to give you an idea how big the piles are. Those piles look pretty good. Let's mix it. Apply the first one. Put it on heavy because you can scrape off the residue with a razor knife. It only sticks to the porous part. So put it on nice. I've got a straight edge here I'm going to use to make sure these pieces line up. Squeeze it together, like so. Double check the squareness. That looks good. Set a timer, 30 minutes. We'll be back. This is 30 minutes. This stuff's pretty hard. I'm gonna take this loose. It's dry to the touch in 30 minutes. It's fully cured in 1 hour. This excess will scrape off with a razor blade. This is cured for 1 hour. I let it go the full hour before I scrape off the residue. You got a brand new razor blade. It comes right off. Now this Instant Install 29 is tintable. If I was truly concerned about the seams, you can tint that epoxy with the color to match whatever it is you're putting back together. This repair is solid. This is ready to be adhered back into the shower. So far this stuff has worked very well. This was a test project because I have a marble column base that's broken in half, and it's big round. We're going to see if we can't put that thing back together using this Instant Install 29. So far so good with this stuff. Cheers with an icy cold gin and tonic. Good luck repairing your marble. Have a good weekend. Take care. See ya.